This is Scott the Fix Guy with a really easy and fun repair for your stove. If it won't light or the flame is kind of weak, this is a really easy one to do. Just gonna remove the burner top or burner head. This is just showing you how anemic this one is. Trying to start it, and you see a little, you can see the spark, and you see a little bit of flame, but almost nothing. It's just not enough gas getting through. So we took off the burner head. We're going to take something sharp like I have a little tool, but you could use a straightened paper clip. You're going to push it down into that little brass hole right in the middle and wiggle it around. Not all stoves have this, but probably 90% of them do. And you just need to clean that little hole so the gas can more readily come out. If you get enough gas, it'll light and you'll have a good flame. So now we're going to turn it on with this change, and yeah, it lights right away. Huge flame. So that was just an obstructed gas jet, and this is such an easy repair. Just checking the other ones, they all seem good. Typically it's the front right or front left. It's used so much, and there's like a boil over condition and stuff gets caught in there. So super easy fix. Hope this helps you. And please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks a lot.